Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going? Once again, I'm Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Today we're going to have a look at how we can install Fortnite on the Android phone after it has been taken off of the App Store. Go to fortnite.com/Android. As you can see at the top, fortnite.com/Android. It'll take you to this web page. Now, before you can install Fortnite, it wants you to install its own App Store. Get it on the Epic Games app. So we'll open the Epic Games app. This will come up. Have to open, and no, just open with whatever. I'm going to go with package installer because that's what is normally installed with. For security reasons, your phone is not allowed to install unknown sources. It'll probably say this if you haven't set it up to install from unknown sources. So yeah, always from this source. No, wait, did that wrong. I wasn't supposed to move over there. Or was I? Okay, let's go up here. Downloads. Try that again. Just once. Install. Installing. So yeah, you definitely have to make sure that you have alternate sources enabled. And you might have to go back and try it again. So here we go. Here it is offering you its different Epic Games. Battle Breakers, never heard of it. Fortnite, we all know it. And that's the only two apps that we got in here. Okay, so we'll click Fortnite and it'll install. As usual, now we play the old waiting game for months and months. There's no way it could download that quickly. But you know what? Let's just wait and take a look and see. Always open with package installer. Okay, so here you have to download an app to download an app. For security reasons, it's not allowed to install apps from unknown. I thought I changed that. Okay, now I have to do it for this app. Okay, now back, install. Alright, app installed. Let's open her up. And there we go. So that was built for an older version of Android. Okay, I'm using a Google Pixel. It always has the latest version. And just like that, you can sign in. Just the way that you would have any other time. Now, it's definitely a lot more difficult to do this on the Apple Store. I think this is the only way you can do it on the Android store unless you get it from another market. But ladies and gentlemen, that's it for me. Nev from Nev's Tech Bits. Like and subscribe if I've helped you out. Always appreciated, and have a good one, folks. Take care of each other.